Hello guys, Weatherman of the North 154 providing you with today's forecast. So right now you'll see the Kutra ratio snowfall rate. So what I'm covering for tonight now is the potential of a major winter storm that may be going through the US sometime this weekend or early next week. Now as you can see here, this will be a wetter snowfall due to its setup. You'll notice right here in this band stretching from Nebraska all the way through Michigan and into Iowa. Here you can expect maybe 6 to about 11 inches of snow. Now this is all preliminary stuff. This is not confirmed, but that's what this model would output. And then as you can see in the purples and pinks and even some oranges, that's about anywhere between 15 to 28 inches of snow up for portions of West Virginia, Pennsylvania, and New York. The highest snowfall accumulations will occur in any lake enhancement zones, such as up towards Erie and Buffalo up here, and then also towards the Keweenaw Peninsula down to Ashland, Wisconsin, and then a bit to the northwest of Gaylord, and then also up the coast of the Arrowhead of northeastern Minnesota, but accumulations will be far less than compared to others, but it will still be higher than the rest. Otherwise, to the south and especially north of this, you can expect mainly widespread 3 to 6 inch snowfall. So not nearly as significant, but will still cause travel impacts. I will now show you the European model. I will tell you right now the European model is actually a lot lighter with this storm. Boom, 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 boom. Get that, sir. So yeah, that's all it shows. Oops, too far. So all it shows is a widespread 1 to 3 inch snowfall event for Minnesota, Wisconsin, Iowa, Northern Illinois, and South Dakota. Maybe some locally higher accumulations possible, but then towards a very narrow band, we could see locally higher amounts of 4 inches according to this model. Then again, lake enhancement up there could produce some 6 to 9 inch amounts. And then up here, mainly 7 to 10 inch amounts, although some locally higher amounts of up to 18 inches possible there. So again, this is not nearly as significant. It will still cause travel impacts, but not nearly as severe. Here's a GFS V16. Dun 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 dun. Let's get this loaded there. Load up, alright. Whoops. Proceeds to the next one. So this one's also a bit on the lighter side, but also a bit more intense than the European model. So mainly widespread 3 to 6 inches from a band stretching from across portions of central western Wisconsin, stretching through southern Minnesota and portions of eastern South Dakota. There could be widespread 3 to 6 inches. Again, lake enhancement up here, which could reach locally higher amounts of 10 inches. Then also some enhancement up in the mountains of West Virginia, where some locally higher amounts of 18 inches are possible, and then 15 inches there. Lake enhancement here could bring a widespread 7 to 11 inch snowfall. So, my best guess is that right now, let's reset this. So, my best guess right now would be for right here, you should keep an eye out for the potential of a widespread 4 to 8 inch snowfall. Again, amounts could be higher, they could be lower, but that's what is about the median. And then up here, interest up here and here would need to watch out for potential of some 8+ inch amounts. So that's the video for today. I hope you're informed. This is all preliminary stuff, again, not confirmed. I will